worst.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's...
Everybody says this is bumpy.
Oh yeah, the worst thing is when you're a little taller, instead of hitting your head when it rocks, you hit your neck. And neck banging is so much worse than head banging because like it hurts like right here. See, like if it jerks. So try to brace yourself, but generally it's not really gonna help. But you know.
We went to Cedar Point for 4 days out here. This is our last day here.
Okay.
Our home park's King's Dominion, which is a sister store to this. They got like
I-305.
Twisted Timbers.
Yeah, they have Twisted Timbers, I-305.
Yeah, but the 305, I don't like that. I don't like that.
It's too intense for you?
I just don't like how it's banged.
I personally, I don't mind it. It's just, I've ridden it. It's not, there are definitely better 300 plus foot tall coasters. Steel Vengeance? Yeah, we're going tomorrow, and the next day we'll be at Cedar Point. We're spending 2 days there.
Yeah, Steel Vengeance is my ride. I had fast pass. I still had to wait.
Yeah, everybody goes there. Yeah, this one's bumpy. It's old. It's very old. It's one of the first 6 inversion coasters out there, so it's been around the block, so to speak. But it's not too bad. Just brace yourself after the mid-course brake run. It gets a little rough. Alright, here we go. First, let's make sure we stall out and scare everybody. And now, here we go. Feel it a little? Oh. Track It's got some bumpiness.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's still pretty okay though. I mean, it's not awful. I've been on worse, but
yeah,
it's still, I mean, Anaconda comes to mind.
Oh yeah.
Anaconda is just an awful ride. Loch Ness Monster was pretty fun to me.
Yeah.
It's so unique with those interlocking loops. Like, it's the only one in the world, so I mean, I can handle a rough ride to an extent.
Yeah, but Anaconda really...
Oh, I hate that ride. It has a completely boring layout, and it's rough. Like, the only reason it's still there is because King's Dominion has had so many coasters torn out recently, they don't...
I was so pissed off that
Volcano?
Yeah. I mean, people put cards there, flowers there.
I'm sure. It had a cult following. I've only gotten to ride it once because then it broke down the day I was there after I rode it once, but it was a great ride.
Oh, yeah.
If I could have been up there, I would have put a whole freaking flower bed in front of that darn thing. I mean, I loved it.
That ride